Why is the Indian Ocean named after India? India is a central bridge between East and West Asia and is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean route links Europe in the west and East Asia in the east, placing India at the strategic heart of global trade. India holds the crown. It has the longest coastline in the Indian Ocean region. Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. India's prime position in the Indian Ocean is the reason it proudly bears India's name. इसीलिए कहते हैं India does not just sit near the ocean, it commands it.